Good afternoon, everyone. You're most welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be taking you through the next episodes, which is the Mendeley installation. Simple terms, Mendeley installation. How we're going to access Mendeley installation. You shall have to go to our Google icon, and even you're seeing here Mendeley desktop. So I just click on it. It's bring from the options. After that, I will have to click here on Mendeley Manager desktop. So it has brought me that I will have to click download for Windows, download for now Windows. So it's downloading as you are seeing for me our Mendeley. It's downloading. So wait. So as you're seeing our Mendeley is downloading. So wait for it to finish downloading. Then afterwards we shall open it and install. Then after installing, we require for us open an account, but we require an email, the password, and all that we shall insert. So let's wait a little bit as downloading. Okay, our Mendel has opened. What we do next is now we look at here. I see the conditions here. It's telling us any who uses this. Please select whether you wish to make this software available to all users or just yourself. Yeah, there are options, but what you do now, all of this I will, then I'll click next. When you click next, it gives you the option of install. See, install the browser that you do you install. So you see it's installing. I know it will take time, but it will be out. No worry. So after install, click finish. Say complete the reference group setup. As you're waiting for it now to open. So let's wait for it to open. So now you see our Mendel is requesting for us for password. Then for the email, it says now you're welcome. Enter your email to continue with Mendel if you have. So now here you can decide not to enter the email as it says. For example, you can say Claude Emmanuel 75. So at Gmail, so give your name, Emmanuel, Claude, password. Easy. click on share it. Next we come to register. So this has to give a name. You say Manuel. So that's what you can use. Crazy. Your password must be, you see here it's not showing as well, it must be at least 8 characters. Wait, so let's try to enter it. So let's try to enter the password and register. So it's quite disturbing still. I don't know why. So that's the password I've entered. Let's try to now register. Telling us continue. So as you're seeing now, I am already registered. So that's the simple thing about it. So it means I've opened an account and I'm free now to go with it. So see it's now open. Seeing it's logging and everything has been done here. So take tour, saying take tour, saying all of this, it has been done. That's a simple way to go about it. Continue following me for more information about this. I wish you the very best of your day.